Hello all, welcome back to your English class. In this module, we are going to discuss the important questions from the chapter The Enemy. We have already discussed the character sketches and the major themes in the story. So now let us discuss a few more important questions. Question number 1. Why was Dr. Sadao not sent abroad with the troops? Answer. He was not sent abroad for two reasons. First one, he had perfected a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Moreover, the general was in some sort of danger and might have needed an operation, and Dr. Sadao was the most skilled doctor available. Moving on to the next question. How did Hannah come into the life of Sadao? So we know that Sadao met Hannah at his professor's house in America. She had also gone there to study. They fell in love with each other. Sadao married her with the approval of his father after confirming that she was a pure Japanese. Moving on to the third question. How does the writer indicate that Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? So even though Sadao's father had sent his son to America for his higher studies in medicine, he loved Japanese race and customs. Sadao married Hannah only after confirming that she was a Japanese, as his father would not have received her unless she had been pure in her race. I hope the answer is clear. Moving on to the next question. Why were, according to the servants, Dr. Sadao and his wife saving the American? Let us look at the answer. The cook of Dr. Sadao declared that the young master was so proud of his skill as a doctor that he would save any life. Yumi even told Hannah that they would not stay if they would continue to hide the man. She accused Sadao and Hannah of having a soft corner for Americans after staying in America and having forgotten to think their own country first. Next question. In what context Hannah remembers the cruel nature of General Takima? Answer. While Hannah was helping Dr. Sadao in operating upon the American, she noticed a red scar. She wondered if this man had been tortured by the Japanese army. She also remembered that people like General Takima beat their wives and were cruel to them. She was convinced that if these people were cruel to their wives, they would certainly be cruel to their enemies as well. Let us look at the next question. Did the plan to kill the Americans succeed? Why or why not? Answer. So, for 3 consecutive nights, Sadao was feeling a little disturbed because he, along with the general, had planned to kill Tom. Later, the general confessed to Sadao that he had forgotten his promise of having the prisoner killed because he was preoccupied with his own sufferings. So, hence, the plan to kill Tom did not succeed. Let us look at the next question. On the seventh day, after the American soldier was found by Dr. Sadao, two things happened. Why did Hannah feel scared of the second? So let us look at the answer. The second thing that happened on the seventh day was that a messenger came in official uniform to call on Dr. Sadao. When Hannah saw the official, she got scared. She thought that the servants might have complained to the police about the white man, so the officers had come to arrest Dr. Sadao. We have mentioned the second thing in this answer. The first one was that Yumi, the gardener, and the cook took their belongings and left their house, showing their disagreement in having the American in their house. So you can note it down. Now, moving on to the next question. What does the old general mean by the American sentimentality and the German brutality? What did he expect from combining both? Let us read the answer. The general believed that the Americans were highly emotional and the Germans were brutal. According to him, a perfect doctor should have both these qualities. The doctor should love the patient on one side and be brutal towards his physical pains. By combining both these qualities, the general expected to make a perfect doctor out of a man. Let us now look at the last question. Why does Sadao wonder why he could not kill the young enemy? This is one of the most important questions. Answer. Sadao found it strange that he had spared his enemy. The Americans were full of prejudice and he found it the white people were repulsive even in their kindness. Yet he had operated upon the enemy and let him escape. So, as a trained medical practitioner, Sadao has risen above the narrow prejudices to save the enemy's life. So, Sadao here shows more humane feelings than the nationalistic or racist feelings. So, hence, he has risen above the normal boundaries in life. Now, we have discussed all the important questions from this chapter. We'll discuss further in the interactive sessions. Thank you.